Hi guys, welcome back to the podcast. So I've got a bit of a show and tell for you today. Last night I picked up a whole wheelbarrow full of axes, about 15 of them. So I'm just going to go through them and show you what I've got. So I'm going to start with just the boring ones. This is Dayton, no maker's mark and pretty fucked. So probably won't do much with that. Second, got this old splitter, no maker's mark, pretty worn out, give it away. Third axe, we've got this nice old, I think it's a gilpin. Normally gilpins have a stamp there, so it's £4, nice shape, original handle. Got still a lot of life in the edge. Might fix it up, sell it, see how it goes. Of course there had to be a diamond brand in there, so we got this £4 diamond brand. You can still see it's old sticker there. Diamond brand are a Chinese make. Although it's made in China, they do have a reputation for being quite good steel. Very hard to sharpen though. It's super hard. See there the person that owned it, got their initials stamped in there, PBL. Next up we have a Sandvik £3. I haven't actually seen many £3. This is nice, it's on a 30-inch handle, very small palm swell, but quite a nice shape to it. That would make quite a nice little axe. Next up we have this nice Hults Bruk £4. You can tell straight away there's a Hults Bruk because of this resin bond hanging technique. Thank God most axes don't have that. See the stamp? Now this was covered in rust when I first got it, but it's cleaned up nice. It shows a nice stamp. So yeah, £4, original handle. Nice find. Next up we have this interesting axe. So I think it's a rafter pattern. Gives it away at the rounded edges here. It's £5 and the only maker's mark is M5 there. So I'll have to look up, if you guys know what it is, let me know in the comments below. But it's in good condition. Ow, I think you all know what this is. This is a Welsh pattern, Elwell number 6, £6. Original handle. So the handle must be 32, 30, 34 inches, I reckon. Really nice condition for its age. Notice that it's got its interesting geometry and code along there. Next up we've got this Michigan pattern. I think it is, or it might be really worn and beaten. No maker's mark. So just chuck it on eBay, I think. Got this bad boy next. Topping axe. Elwell, £4. Original handle, I think. Really nice shape to it. Elwell, maker's mark there. And it's got a number underneath that. Nice palm swab. Still more to come. Elwell Welsh pattern 4-pounder. I was really excited because I thought this was a trimming pattern at first, but no, just a 4. Still, it's a bit worn. So let's make his mark there. Next up, we've got this Heirloom 6 Welsh Winsbury forged one. It's got a code in the back there, and you can just about see the maker's mark there. Still, original handle. And a lovely shape to it. What is this? So, any guesses before I show you? It is a German Sandvik, made in Germany, 4-pounder. Now, I'm not even sure what pattern you'd call this. It's got a nice shape, really long, flared out. Great balance to it. Now here's a make that I've never seen before. J. Bucks forged steel. Oh no, cast steel. It's obviously a side axe, or hewing hatchet, or hewing axe. You can see it's angled off to one side. Be quite interested to know a little bit about this, so I might have to Google it later. But it's nice condition. Sometimes when you find these old axes, because they're only beveled on one side, people think, oh, they haven't sharpened it right, and they put another edge on this side. Really, this is meant to be really flat, as most of you will know. Very interesting. Right, the last one, the piece de la résistance. Now this is the reason I bought them. Elwell trimming pattern, £3. Original handle. And apart from the odd crack and the odd bit of splintering up here, which would disappear if you hung it down a little bit further, it is in really good condition. Just look at that nice handle. The head itself, you can see there, it's just got the Elwell stamp, no number underneath it, which is another sign of a trimming pattern. Very nice. Very nice indeed, and that's it. That is all of the axes. I'll make a little montage so you can see them all. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.